Hey, I'm Mr. Bahork, and today I want to talk to you about multiplying polynomials, and today we'll just do the easy ones. So this will be monomials times polynomials. So basically this is a one-term polynomial times more than one-term polynomials. So what you're doing basically is distributing, except you just have to really know your exponent rules and watch those exponents. So let's look through an example. If we have 2x squared times 5x plus 7, what we're just doing is distributing 2x squared to both of those terms in the parentheses. It's just distributing, just with some variables along for the ride. That means we're doing 2x squared times 5x, as seen right here, and 2x squared times 7, as seen right here. When we multiply them, we just have to make sure we notice our exponent rules. So this is an x squared, right, and this is an x to the first. We don't have to write the 1. So remember, you add the exponents if you're multiplying them. So that becomes x to the third. 2 plus 1 is 3. And you just multiply the coefficients, 2 and 5, to get the 10. So that's where I got the 10x to the third. Over here, we can do the 2 times the 7 to get our 14. And since this doesn't have anything on here, you just leave the x squared. If you really want to get fancy with it, you could say that the 7 has an invisible x to the 0 power, which you don't have to write since x to the 0 is a 1, making it 7 again. But if you really want to get fancy, you could say the 0 plus the 2 gives you 2 again, so x squared. But don't worry about that if you didn't understand what I just said. Just know that you're multiplying the coefficients together, and the x squared stays where it is. It doesn't go away. Now notice, a lot of people, this is a big, big mistake, so be careful. That's it. Once you multiply them, you're done. Look at your two terms. These are not like terms. I see so many papers where somebody will try to combine this to make it say like, oh, I don't know, 24x to the fifth or something like that. You cannot combine them because these are not like terms. Remember, like terms have to have the same variable, which they do, but also the same power, which they do not. So these are not like terms. There is nothing else you can do with this. So that is your final answer, 10x to the third plus 14x squared. There's nothing else you can do to that. You cannot simplify. All right, I'm Mr. Bahork, and this was multiplying the easy polynomials, monomials times polynomials.